guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because Almay sent over all of their new lipsticks and they sent it in this really cool acrylic holder thing. That way I can try to organize my life a little bit, even though I'm telling you, so much new makeup has been coming out and I have been doing my best to get it all on Instagram, get it up on the story so you guys can see it like firsthand, and then it kind of rolls around to YouTube. So if you guys want to keep up with me and see like what's popping off like the second it happens, head over to my Instagram channel. Who am I? Head over to my, I think I've been watching too much Jersey Shore, but head over to my Instagram channel and then you guys will see kind of on my stories. That's where I can just keep up with life. I feel like I'm way more organized over there. So I try to pick and choose like what I kind of want to throw up here to like really show you guys like a review, because I don't know, does it get boring to you guys like seeing everything get reviewed, or is there just like certain things you kind of get excited about that you really want to see get reviewed? Like what is your guys like favorite thing to watch like review wise? Like is it PR unboxings like all at one time, or is it kind of like singled things at one time? Let a girl know. I don't know, because I'm not like I don't watch a whole bunch of reviews unless I'm thinking about kind of buying something. But then I know my other girlfriend, she like lives for reviews instead of makeup tutorials. So what do you guys think? Which would you rather watch? So anyway, I chose this to show you guys. I mean, it's all of Almay's new lipsticks that came out. I love lipsticks. I'm a lipstick girl. Like, I'm not so much of a matte type, but I love lipstick. Like, I don't like feeling... I feel like the reason I'm not a matte lipstick type of girl is because there's only a few brands that I like that I feel like don't get clumpy on me, that don't like ball up and dry out. And then once the second, I don't know about you guys, but the second I feel my lip getting dry, I just want to start picking it like a crackhead. Like, I just want to pick my lips so bad. So I try to stay away a little bit from matte lipsticks. So I was excited when they sent this over because this is like old school lipstick. And I'm into it. So I'm actually wearing two colors on me right now, and you guys are gonna be excited. They have the coolest names ever. They actually sent over to a little, I don't know if you guys can see up here, it's like a little makeup bag, and it says hashtag InstaQueen. It says hashtag InstaQueen, and I just thought it was fun. I liked it. I felt good about it. But so I tried these on right before I filmed this video just because I wanted to see what they felt like. Feels like I'm wearing chapstick, and I love that feeling. They just feel really, really hydrating. So what I have on me right now is Skip the Gym. Hello, I skipped the gym today. I felt like they read my mind. And then Worry Less, which I actually need to do more of because I feel like I've been very, I feel like I was actually telling my girlfriend yesterday, I feel very overwhelmed by YouTube, and I was like, every day I think about quitting YouTube because it takes so much work. YouTube takes away a lot of your views and stuff, which is really effed up. And then it's like, I don't know, I feel like I can talk to you guys, but I really feel like I can talk to you guys more on Instagram and I can connect there better. And I don't know, even though their algorithm has sucked, I feel like their algorithm, like they're working on it and it's getting better, and I'm seeing more consistently people I actually want to see and things like that. I don't know. Do you guys think I should quit YouTube and then I can focus more on Instagram, and then I feel like I can be more consistent? I feel like I can keep up to date more because I feel, I don't know, I just feel overwhelmed by trying to do both things, because then I feel like I'm letting people down if I don't upload every day. I feel like I'm letting brands down if I'm not able to like talk about everything on this channel, but then I try to talk about everything over on that channel. It's just, it's a lot of fucking work. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Opening this bitch up, it's cool. It looks like a little purse or something. So you open it and then it's all their shades. So I'm gonna swatch these for you guys on my hands. I actually just swatched the Grinch palette. You guys are gonna be shocked. Pure sent me the Grinch palette. I don't know, did they watch my video and see that I said how I got kicked off their PR list? If they did, oh my god. Ooh, but I had to be honest, I can't lie. I'm a really bad liar. Like when I lie, I get fucking shaky and nervous and I fucking giggle and shit. So if they saw it, I hope I didn't offend them, but just being honest. This is the first batch that I swatched. I kind of wanted to stick in the nude brown range. The first one on my hand right here is called So Wild, and it's really pretty. It's like a light nude. This would be a good nude if you have lighter skin. And then this one is a little bit more of a brown type of color, and this is called Call Out. and it's just a little bit deeper of a brown. I think it would be almost like a good nude for girls who have deeper skin. Or if you want to maybe use it as a good ombre effect, you could do this on the outer corner, this one like. Then for this one right here, that is called Snooze, which I'm about that life. And it's just, again, another deeper, more cocoa type of color. I'm just gonna skip over this red for right now and go to this one. And this one right here is called Never Regret. And this is, again, a nice, pretty, like sandy type of color. And right here, it is called Sleep Later, and that's a really pretty nice nude. And this red right here is called Love Yourself. I don't know why I decided to put it in the tan one, but I'm an idiot, so just go with it. Then right here, we have Love Big, which is like a pop of pink. Then the third one in, we have Dance Now. The fourth one in is Be Fearless. Then after that is Live Happy, which is such a beautiful orange. I know not everyone's going to be about it, but you know I freaking love oranges and corals on the lips, especially during summer. That orange during the summer makes me feel like an exotic islander mermaid queen. Then the second to the last is a light pink, and that is Girl Boss. And the last one, which is kind of on my elbow, is called Be Strong, and that's like a deep red. And then here is 4 more. We have Get Crazy as the first one. We have Believe the second. The third is a really pretty poppin' purple. The purple's called Insta Queen. Then that fourth pink is called Eat Cake, which is like 90s Barbie vibes. I'm loving it. So then last up, I didn't put them on my hand. I swatched the Grinch palette and then I did all these swatches, and I feel like once I wash my hand again, my hand like over it. It's gonna be like, bitch, don't you touch me for like a day or 2. We have a really fun one that's orange called Smile. We have another really great one that is yellow. That's called Shake It Up. Gray lavender color, and that's called Rise Up. We have this blue that looks poppin', and that's called Dream. And then we have this baby blue called Mix It Up. What's really cool about this collection is it feels like you're wearing chapstick. It's a very, very comfortable wear. I think they have awesome colors for the summertime, the wintertime, fall time, all the time. I love the fact that the names of them give me that inspo, which I'm into. I feel good about it. It makes me like, I will link this collection below where you can find it. It's inexpensive, it's affordable, and honestly, I feel like each, what is that? Each lipstick, what it looks like here is what it looks like on the skin, so I love that. I hate when you buy a lipstick and it looks like one thing on the outer package and then you get home and you're like, this is not the color I signed up for. So that's one thing that's really great about this collection. I love it. I hope you guys love it. If you pick up any of these, let me know which ones you try out. And I hope you guys like them as much as I do, because I like sharing stuff that kind of like gives me the butterflies inside and gets me all excited. And I feel like this is that. So I love you guys, and I will see you soon.